Hey, you're here with Live with MVI, and if you guys own a 22 to 25 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra without the front factory facing camera for parking, stick around, watch this video. We are going to show you how we're going to add HD camera to this sucker. As long as you have the IOK option code, the 13.4 inch screen as shown here. We're going to go ahead and add camera to this, and we're going to show you how to do it. So to start, you're going to remove the hood latch, not really the latch, but the release. 2 T15 Torx, that'll slide right off. And then this upper cover's got to come off the grill, so you got to release these pop clips all the way across the top. I'm not going to put you through the whole thing, but that'll come off. All right, so next we're going to go ahead and go over to the passenger side and get this right kick panel out the way. So you're just going to pop this cover off the side of the passenger seat. Go ahead and remove this kick panel completely out of the way, as the radio sits on the upper side of the kick panel, kind of up, not really behind the glove box, but right there on the side wall, as you can see there. We are going to remove 3 connectors. So one LVDS that goes to the screen, and then the 2 big Molex connectors are going to come out. Our module is going to T right in there. So we've got a plug and play T harness that those guys there are going to plug into. And then the other side of our harness will go back into where those came unplugged. And the module is going to bolt nice and neat to the floor. It's going to look just like it came from the factory that way. Secure there just like so. And now we're going to show you how to get the camera going on the grill. This does come with detailed instructions, but you are going to secure the camera to the front of the grill right under the emblem there. And then it does loom nice and neat across the grill. It actually has Christmas tree clips. There's spots right in the grill for the harness to go all the way across. And then you're going to route it up along the passenger fender wall, the top side, behind the battery. You're going to enter into the truck. Right down there behind, you can see an access grommet GM put there for you. So that's where the camera wire is going to go inside the cab to plug into the truck. After it's all said and done, you can see we've got the camera mounted there, nice and factory looking. And we're going to go ahead and go into the truck and show it operating at this point. So let's get in and get the radio fired back up. See the splash screen come to life. To activate the module, you're going to push and hold the home button for 3 seconds. That's going to pull up the camera menu. Agree to that first confirmation, and boom, now we've got front facing camera you can pull up at any time. It's also got some settings in here to where you can activate the front camera for parking, so it will auto trigger in a parking situation, and that can be set right there in that menu. So now we're going to take you back and show you it in works, in motion, show you it working. So this is manual activation mode. You can go ahead and press that at any time while moving down the road and keep it on as long as you want. So you can do what you want there, and that will shut off when you shut it off. There's also the auto activation for front for parking situations. So how this works, it does need to see a slowdown and a turn, like you are actually pulling into a parking spot or making a turn slowly. It's going to shut back off, and then you'll see as we come to the driveway here, just like we're pulling into a parking spot, we are going to slow down. The wheel turns, and boom, it comes right on for us, and you can see that work all the way up till the vehicle stops. As usual, thanks for watching. For more information, hit us up at the website, gm-navigation.com. Send us a message. We'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much.